passive income. Have you ever fantasized about making money while you sleep? In this video, I'm going to reveal how you can unlock $1,000 in monthly passive income using strategies that are accessible to everyone. So even if you have just $1 to invest, you won't want to miss one of my favorite options, and that's number 4, which can turn your everyday purchases into cash. So if you're ready to get started, let's get right into the video.
Bring me my money.
Get this money.
Let's clarify what passive income really means. Unlike active income, where you trade your time for money, like in a typical 9-to-5 job, passive income allows you to earn money without being directly involved in the initial setup. Think about it as creating a money-making machine that works for you while you enjoy life. So why should passive income be on your radar? The benefits are very huge. Financial freedom, the ability to pay off debts faster, and more time to spend on the things you love, even with family and friends. Let's jump into some effective strategies that can help you reach that $1,000 monthly goal. First off, we have dividend stocks. These are shares of companies that pay you a portion of their profits on a regular basis, essentially paying you to hold their stock. So you have to look for stable companies with a solid history of increasing dividends. Platforms like Robinhood or M1 Finance allow you to start investing with small funds. Over time, reinvesting those dividends can significantly boost your earnings. Now, let's talk about peer-to-peer lending. This innovative option lets you lend money to individuals or small businesses via platforms like Lending Club or Prosper in exchange for interest payments. While it comes with risk, the potential returns can be impressive. Like, you can start with as low as $25, making it an accessible option for everybody. Now, creating digital products is another fantastic way to earn passive income. So whether it's writing an ebook, designing online courses, or creating printables, the possibilities are very endless. So once your product is created and marketed, it can continue to generate income with minimal ongoing efforts. And platforms like Udemy and Etsy are great places to launch your digital creations, often with low, very upfront costs. Now here's the strategy you definitely don't want to miss: cashback apps. These amazing apps allow you to earn money back on your everyday purchases. Imagine getting cash rewards every time you buy groceries, clothes, or even your morning coffee. Apps like Rakuten, Ibota, and Oni can help you earn a percentage back on your expenses. And many even offer sign-up bonuses. This is a straightforward way to generate passive income without any extra effort. It's perfect for anyone looking to boost their earnings. Like, this is way perfect. Now, finally, let's explore real estate investment. Whether you're ready to start purchasing properties or not, it doesn't really matter. You can still be part of the money that comes from real estate. You can still invest in real estate through REITs. REIT is known as Real Estate Investment Trust. It allows you to invest in portfolios of income-generating real estates without the hassle of managing properties yourself. Here are some platforms that can make it easy to invest in REITs with low minimum investments, often under $100, for those of you who can afford $100 and above. And if you cannot afford up to $100, you can also invest a minimum of $10. And you can actually use platforms like fundrise.com. Minimum investment on Fundrise is $10. You can make use of realtymogul.com as well. Minimum investment varies actually, and some options start from $100. Another platform that can help you do this is Rumi.com. Rumi.com minimum investment is around $100. And groundfloor.us minimum investment is around $10 as well. Webull.com, and here's the thing with Webull, there is no minimum stocks for ETFs. And that's so fascinating. Now, this platform make it easy for anyone to invest in real estate, even with a small initial investment. Just remember to do your homework before diving in. Now, let's break down how to turn these strategies into $1,000 per month. Let's say you invest in dividend stocks that yield about 5% annually, and this will generate approximately $41, right? So while this is just one source, it sets the foundation for building your income, okay? Now, with peer-to-peer lending, if you choose loans with an average return of 10%, you could potentially earn around $8 or $9 per month from your minimum investments. Everything I'm talking about right here is for your minimum investments, okay? Now, creating and selling digital products can easily be lucrative. And for instance, if you sell 10 ebooks each week for $10 each. That's total of about $400 per month. Using cashback apps like Rakuten, Ibota, or Oni can easily earn you around $200 per month just from your regular spending. Okay, now investing in REITs, which might yield around 7% monthly, can give you approximately $58 to $59 per month based on average returns. So remember, like I said once more, everything I'm calculating right here is the minimum investment that you can put into any of this area of business acumen that you decide to go into. Okay, now let's add these monthly returns to see how this can stack towards our $1,000 goal. Dividend stocks, $41 to $42. Peer-to-peer lending, $8 to $9. Digital products can easily earn you around $400. The cashback apps I mentioned earlier can easily earn you around $200. And real estate investment at a minimum level can earn you between $58 to $60. So total monthly income for all of these can amount to around $708.3 as I've seen already. Remember that the key to reaching that $1,000 per month goal is to consistently reinvest and scale your efforts. These numbers can easily stack up significantly into making your financial dream much more attainable. Now, here are some tips to help you succeed in your passive income journey. You have to diversify your income stream. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spreading your investments across different methods or different strategies is definitely going to shield you from losses, okay? And you also need to educate yourself because knowledge is power. Read books, listen to podcasts, and take courses. Deepen your understanding of passive income strategies. And don't forget to start small. You don't need a lot of money to begin in the first place. No, start with what you can afford. Like start with whatever you have and gradually increase your investment as you gain confidence and experience in the entire process. You get what I mean? Passive income can dramatically enhance your life and this can change your life forever. So whether you choose dividend stocks, peer-to-peer lending, or cashback apps, the key is to take action. That is the key. Take action. Remain consistent. If you found this video helpful, please like it. Like this video, please. Comment and subscribe for more insightful finance tips. I would like to hear about your passive income journey in the comments below. I've listed all the websites I mentioned in the description below as a guide to help you start your passive income journey. I'll see you in the next video.